In this tutorial, we will see the complete installation of Next.js. So make sure you have installed two things. The first thing is Node module, which is Node.js, and the second thing is VS Code editor or any other code editor which you want to use. So I have installed my VS Code. So here I am going to open a folder which I have already created. First -next. I am going to open that folder, and this folder is initially blank. So what I have to do now, I'm just going to open my terminal by pressing Ctrl plus back T. And here I have to install my React app. I'm going to create my React app here. So I'm just typing npx create, and if you remember, when we were working with our React.js, we had to type here create React app and here the name of that app. But when we are working with our Next.js, instead of React, we have to type here next. I'm just typing next, create next app, and I'm going to create that name here. The name of that file should be first next project, and make sure you have to type here npx because we don't want to install that app globally, but it will be only locally to our E drive in which we have created that folder which is named as first-next. So just press enter, and it would ask a couple of questions. So you should have to give the answers of these questions, that what you wanna to install with our Next.js application. It is saying that would you like to use TypeScript? I'm just typing here no, and ESLint, I also gonna type it as no, and I'm also not going to use Tailwind, and source directory no, and app router, so you have to press here yes, and I'm also going to type no for alias. And now you can see that it is going to install in our system, and now you can see that it is installed successfully in our next-project. In our first-next, we have that folder which is named as first next project, and here you can see all the folders are here installed successfully. So I have to move inside that folder now, which is first-next-project. Here I am typing directory to check which directories we have in that folder. I am just typing change directory to first next project. Press enter, and I am going to clear the screen. And here I am going to type npm run dev, because now we are going to run our that project which we have created right now. So here I have to type npm run dev and press enter. Now it is going to run. So here you can see that we have that link. By clicking on this link, we will be directed to our that project's output. So it is not as same like React project, but it is going to provide us the link. By clicking on this link, we will be directed to the output of our that project. So here just type control and press click here. Now you are directed to that output. And here you can see it have given us such an output as we had for our React project. It is showing that everything is dummy right now,